Okay, so I would like to show a really quick example of how to use. Hi, Daddy. Daddy. Hello. Hi. Okay, I want to show a really quick example of using something called dyntopo in Blender, which allows you to basically sculpt while like dynamically adding polygons to your model. So I'm just going to go over to the sculpting tab because I think it's a little bit easier for sculpting. It's more designed for it. So normally when you are modeling something in sculpt mode, if you don't have enough like vertices, a lot of the sculpting tools don't really like work. Like I'm using grab here, grab works, but like again, I can't like dynamically like carve into this cube because there are only a few vertices and faces. But something called dyntopo allows you to do some other really cool shit. I'm not seeing. Oh, where's the other side? Okay, dyntopo. Where the fuck was it? Oh, okay, it didn't show up because this is so small. So I'm sorry. But if I change the size of this, I hope it looks okay in the screen cap. There's this checkbox over here for dyntopo. It sometimes says vertex data detected. You can just skip through that. Now I can do all this cool shit. Oh my God, wow. So beautiful. And in the dyntopo settings, you can decide what the detail size is. And if you notice, it says detail size in pixels. That's because dyntopo will make the like new like mesh data based on the size of like whatever you're working on your screen. It's not about the size of the polygons in like Blender meters. So if this is currently set to 12 pixels. So if I'm like, using this like clay, whatever thing, but I want to add more detail, I can literally zoom in. You see my pen stays the same size and I can add more detail. So again, like you can work on like general shapes of things and then you can like get in there and affect some like little details that you want. Like I want this to be all like fucked up and cool and shit and etc. Great. I love it.